Children, this is the pleasant morning. How are you? Good morning to everybody. Today I would like to explain the 7th class next topic, the importance of water. Today I will explain the importance of water in the digestion and also the role of water in the body. Some people are doubted that water is a nutrient or not. Water is not a nutrient because it did not have any nutrient. It did not have any nutritive value. Water is a component of food, but it did not the nutritive component. It is an ingredient. Water. Water is a component. Water is a component of food and also ingredient of food, but it did not have any nutritive value, so it did not considered as nutrient. It did not considered as nutrient. It is a component of food, it is an ingredient of food, but it did not considered as nutrient because it did not contain any nutrients. But tap water contains some minerals. Tap water contains some minerals. What are the minerals present in the tap water? Means sodium, potassium, magnesium, chloride, fluoride. All these are minerals in the tap water. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, chloride. In some areas, fluoride is also there. Fluorides. In some areas, fluoride is there. All these minerals are present in the water. Fluoride is harmful to our body. Tap water. The tap water contains sodium, potassium, magnesium, chloride and fluoride. These are the important minerals present in the water. Some minerals are harmful, some minerals are useful. So drinking of tap water is very good. There are so many waters are there. Filtered water, bottled water, packed water, mineral water. Packed water. This is also called as bottled water. Why this is called as packed water, bottled water? It is packed in plastic bag or plastic bottle. Bottle or packet. So this is called as packed water or bottled water. Some other water is also there, that is mineral water. Mineral water. There are several waters are there. Which water is best to drink? Means tap water is best to drink. Packed water, bottled water. This is a reduced minerals. Minerals are reduced in the packed water. This is also called as filtered water. Through filtration, all the minerals are filtered. Only pure water is packed in the packets or bottles. So, if the water is packed in the plastic packet, that is called packet water, bottled water. It is also called as filter water. It is not good to drink the packed water or bottled water. Mineral water. Some minerals are present in the tap water. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, chloride, fluoride. Some minerals, fluoride is reduced and mineral water is prepared. Mineral water is very good for health. But tap water is very good for health because sodium, potassium, magnesium, chloride, all these are in sufficient quantities in the tap water. It is better to drink boiled and cooled tap water. It is better to drink boiled and cooled tap water. It is not good to drink packed water, bottled water. It is good to drink mineral water. but boiled and cooled tap water is very good for health. Water helps us for digestion. It also helps us for prevent the constipation, and also it regulates the temperature in our body. What is the role of water? Water mainly helps us in digestion. Water helps us for the movement of food in digestive tract. It helps us for the regulation of temperature regulation. It helps for temperature regulation. It helps for prevent the constipation, and also it helps for so many biological activities maintained in the body. Biochemical activities performing inside the body. Water is very, very essential for all these functions. Digestion. Water helps in digestion, movement of food in digestive tract. In the presence of water, the food moves freely in the digestive tract. Esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Water helps us for the regulation of temperature regulation. For example, in the hot summer, we will have sweating. In the sweating, water comes out, body become cools. So, body temperature is regulated by the water. It also prevents the constipation. The irregular bowel movements are called constipation. This constipation is prevented by the water. The constipation in Ayurveda is called as Vibhanda. In Ayurveda, the constipation called as Vibhanda. This Vibhanda is otherwise called as constipation. The irregular bowel movements are called constipation. This constipation is reduced in the presence of water and dietary fibers. Fibers are very, very important to prevent constipation, as well as water is also prevents the constipation. Water is also helps for biochemical activities. There are so many activities performing inside the body, biochemical activities. These biochemical activities are maintained successfully in the presence of water. Next, another important function is also there, excretion from large intestine and rectum very easily performed by the water, and also excretion by the skin. In the sweating, the water comes out. Along with water, some excretory products, urea and some excessive minerals and water comes out from the sweating. Skin gives sweating. In the sweating, urea, minerals, excessive minerals and water, all these are comes out. Skin is also one of the important excretory organ in our body. It excretes excessive of urea, excessive of minerals and water. So it is also one of the important excretory organ in the body. It performs excretion in the presence of water. Next we will do one activity. That activity realizes that the role of water in the digestion. For doing this activity, we need some material, plastic pipe, sponge and water. What are the material? Plastic pipe, water and sponge. Also take a bucket. In the bucket, take some amount of water. Take one pipe. This is a plastic pipe. Take some sponge. Put in the plastic pipe. This is a dry sponge. Dry sponge did not move freely through the pipe. After adding some water, it moves freely. This pipe is a digestive tract. This sponge is like food. Sponge is like food. This is the digestive tract. In the digestive tract, food also moves freely in the presence of water. Without water, the food movements are very less. Digestion did not take place. Children, I think you understand this topic very well. I wrote some questions on the board. Please give the answers. Which is the wrong statement about food? Component, ingredient, nutrient, none. Nutrient is the right answer. C is the right answer. Because which is the wrong statement? Wrong statement because the nutrient. Water did not contain any nutrient. So C is the right answer. How much amount of water present in our body? 2/3. So B is right answer. What is the role of water in our body? What is the role of water in our body? A. Digestion, excretion. B. Regulation of temperature. C. Metabolic activities. D. All the above. So D. All the above is the right answer because the water helps for all these activities. D is the right answer. Next question. What we realize through sponge pipe water activity? A. Biochemical activities. B. Excretion. C. Movement of food. D. Digestion. C. Movement of food is the right answer because in this activity we realize that the movement of water in the digestive tract. Which water better to drink? A. Filtered water. B. Tap water. C. Bottled water. D. Boiled cooled tap water. Which water is better to drink means boiled and cooled tap water. This is very important. So D is the right answer. Next, which minerals present in the tap water? A. Sodium, potassium. B. Calcium, magnesium. C. Chloride, fluoride. D. All the above. All the minerals are present in the tap water. So D is the right answer. Next, what is the name of constipation in Ayurveda? ఆయుర్వేదలో కాన్స్టిపేషన్ ఏమంటారు? ఏ నిర్బంధ, బి విబంధ, సి వాయుబంధ, డి నన్. విబంధ is the right answer. B is the right answer. So children, I think you understand this topic very well. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you children for listening this lesson very patiently. Thank you very much. Bye bye.